Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine in your houses. Okay. I prefer everyone must watch this video, and you have to listen to you have to come for the meeting also. Okay. After attending the meeting, you can watch the videos. Okay, no problem. But both you have to do. Okay. At least you come for the Zoom meeting. That is very, very important. Okay. There only I am explaining the same thing. Okay, if you are not able to come, you can watch the video, but I prefer you to do the both of the things. Okay, watch the video as well as come for the attend the meeting also. Okay, students. So here ledger accounts we are learning, and how to balance the account also I have taught you. Okay, now we have to do the eighth exercise. Okay, eighth exercise we need to do. There we have completed the journal entries. Okay, all the journal entries. Now we are supposed to prepare the ledger accounts. First one, cash account. Okay, usually the first account will be cash account. Cash account. Okay, we want to draw line. Date, particulars, JF rupees. Okay, date, particulars, JF rupees. Okay, you have to draw line, and here we need to write above the line creditor, here debtor. Okay, here debtor we have to write above the line. Okay, cash account. What is that? In the first journal entry, this cash is debited. Okay, so debit side, you see, cash account is debited. So debit side we have to write to Ganeshan's capital. We should write the date first. 2017 October 1. Okay. 2017 October 1. Okay, to Ganeshan's capital account. Okay, then amount 25,000. Okay, then second one, deposited into bank. There cash is credited, so credit side we have to post. So write the date 5. Okay, by bank account, amount 12,500. Then that goods purchased, 15th one. Okay, here cash is credited, so that date 15 by purchases account, by purchases account 5,000. Okay, that's all too. Now we will balance it. Okay, so here which side we have more? Debit side. So credit side we have to write the balance. What is the October last date? 31 by balance carry down. Leave as it is. Okay, then draw the line. The same side here also. What is the larger amount? 25,000. That you draw, that you write both the sides. Now you can balance it directly in the ledger account. You see how I am doing. 0, 0, here 5, here 0. So if we add 5, we will get 10, balance 1. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15, balance 1, 2. That's all. So 7,500 is the balance. This balance will be written on the next date. This is October 31. What is the next date? November 1. Okay. So November 1 to balance. Okay, November 1 to balance brought down. 7,500. Just below this amount we have to write. Okay. Now next account. After cash account, Ganeshan's capital account. Okay, account wise only we have to post. We have to prepare the ledger account. Okay, here Ganeshan's capital account. Okay. Date, particulars, JF rupees. Here creditor. Here also date, particulars, JF rupees. Here above debtor. Okay. Ganeshan's capital account is credited. So credit side we have to write. Date 2017 October 1. By cash account. By cash account. 25,000. That's all. No other capital, isn't it? So we will balance it. Only one amount you write there. 25,000. The same thing we have to write here also. The same place. 25,000. Now, the last date. We are going to balance the account. Okay, what is the last date? Year 2017 October 31. To balance carry down. 25,000 right here. The same 25,000. So we have written 25,000. Now this closing balance will become the opening balance. What is the next date of October 31? November. So November 1. Sorry. By balance brought down. 25,000. Okay. Now that account gets over. Okay. Now next one. Bank account. Okay, each and every account we have to open. Okay, bank account. If they have asked many account like this, you write this account and write the details. That particulars, date and all no need to write. Okay, after completing the problem, if you have enough time to write, then you can write. Otherwise, post the date and write that amount. Okay, because accountancy paper only will be there. Accountancy notebook also will be there. So no need to draw line. Okay. Here bank account debtor. Okay, the fifth one. Deposited into bank. Bank account debtor to cash. So bank is debited. So debit side we have to post. Okay. Debit side we need to post. Date 2017 October 5 to cash account 12,500. Then where next one 10 purchased furniture and payment made by check. Okay, so furniture account debtor to bank. So bank is credited. So credit side we should enter. By purchases. Sorry, purchased furniture. So furniture account. $2,000. Then that's all. Only one. Okay. Here one, there one. So here the larger amount is debit side. So you write. Here we should write one more item. Okay. 31 by balance carry down. Then draw line. Single line, double line. Larger amount 12,500. Then the other side also you write the same amount. Now write the balance. 5201. Okay, now next account. Deposited into bank account and cash account completed. Now purchased furniture. So their furniture account coming, isn't it? So next account will be furniture account. Furniture account, what is the entry? Furniture account debtor to bank account. So debit side, date 10. Furniture account debtor to bank 2000. So only one item. So this side we will write 31 by balance carry down. Okay, 2000. This side no other amount, no, so 2000. Here write 2000. This amount also 2000. Now we have to write the opening balance. So November 1. Here bank account we forgot to write, isn't it? Here bank account November 1 to balance brought down 10,500. Okay, here furniture account also November 1 to balance brought down 2000. Okay, furniture account over. Now then goods purchased for cash. So there purchases coming. Okay, next account is purchases account. Purchases account debtor to cash. So debit side. Okay. 2017 October 15. Okay, to cash 5,000. Then you see last one, goods worth 500 taken for personal use. There we have credited purchases account. So we have to post on the credit side. Okay, date 22 by drawings account. By drawings account 500. So lesser side we have to write last date by balance carry down. Okay, then write the larger amount in the both side. What is the larger amount? 5,000. Same thing you write here also. Now you find out the difference. Straight to this. 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, balance 1, 4. So that one should be written on the debit side as balance brought down. Okay, November 1 to balance brought down. For exam, they never ask you to do this many accounts. Okay, only 5 mark is the largest mark. Okay, so they may ask you to prepare 2-3 entries and to prepare 2 accounts. So 3 mark, here 2 mark, like that they will allot. Okay, they never ask here around 10 ledger accounts and all. They never ask. Okay, so don't worry. But you should know how to post and how to balance. That's all. So now we have completed the purchases account. Okay, then cash already purchased, then posted, isn't it? Then sold goods to Vasu on credit. So Vasu's account. Vasu apostrophe yes. Here Vasu account debited. So debit side we should post. To sales account 4,000. Okay, so only one item. So here we have to write the balance October 31 by balance carry down. what will be the amount? Full 4,000, isn't it? We can write. Then write both the amount. 4,000. Here also 4,000. Now write the balance amount. Okay. Here date October 31 to balance brought down 4,000. Okay. Was account over. Now sales account. Sales account is credited, so credit side we have to post by Vasu's account 4,000. Only one sales, isn't it? So write 4,000. Here also 4,000. So here 4,000, what it is? To balance carry down. Date 2017 October 31. Okay, then opening balance November 1 by balance brought down 4,000. Okay, now sales account that over. Now drawings. Okay, drawings account, that is the last account. Then purchases already we have posted. Okay, so drawings account. Drawings account is debited, so debit side we should post. So write the date first. October 22. Drawings account debtor to purchases account 500. So only one item. So write on the credit side. Balance 31 by balance carry down 500. Write the total 500. Here also 500. Then balance drawings opening balance November 1 to balance brought down. Students, every time, many times I have not shown this side, okay, but you should understand when whenever I am writing something, I read and write, so you can make out, okay. Now that problem gets over, okay. So this problem you have to do and see, okay, that 8th problem, okay students. Okay, thank you very much.